Welcome back to Song Nhi channel. I'm Sophia, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to effectively use the group profile feature on Song Nhi App. Get ready to take control of your finances with ease. Let's dive in. First, go to www.songnhi.ai to log in, then click Go Inside. Once you're in, click on Go Inside to explore the app's features. Now, switch to the group profile and navigate to Profile Settings. Here, you can customize your currency preferences. Next, let's try out the powerful profile sharing feature. It allows you to collaborate with up to 10 partners. Click on Add Partner and simply enter their email addresses to invite them. It's that easy. Now check your email, accept the invitation to join the group profile, and unlock a world of awesome features in the Song Nhi app. Navigate to Add Expense and add an expense to explore the Split Bill feature within Group Profile. This feature allows you to effortlessly split expenses among selected members, making it simple to share and manage costs. Go back to the transaction history to track your expenses. Click on the expense to edit and update transaction details. If needed, easily adjust the amount for each member and then click Save to update the transaction. Now, head to the Report feature to monitor debts, expenses, amount that others owe you, amounts paid by you, and total money sent or received. The chart dashboard and visually appealing tracking reports make it look cool and efficient. Let's explore the Send Money feature. Choose the recipient, add a note, specify the amount, and select tags to save the transaction details. Alternatively, you can use the chat feature to instruct Song Nhi to assist you in sending money. Song Nhi will prompt you to select recipients and expedite the transaction process, making it quicker and more efficient. Once again, head to the Report feature of Group Profile to track your transactions. In the Total Money Sent section, click on the orange amount to view detailed transactions. Now, utilize the filter feature to select specific transactions you wish to track. With Song Nhi app, you can take charge of your financial journey and achieve your goals with ease. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and features. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and finance tips.